Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team. Now, recently we had a customer approach us asking if a certain component could be produced in the turning center, and that's this furniture leg. And so today we're going to be producing this in the turning workstation as a rotary carving, and we'll see how that's done in the Maverick CNC systems. Like most rotary carved components, the blank is turned around to begin with. That's because the Rotary software that we used to design and program the roughing and wrap carving toolpaths requires a round surface to begin with. However, this turning round process is not available in the Rotary software, so we used Legacy's CCAM Pro software to do the turning round techniques, but we were also able to import all of the toolpaths from Rotary and combine them into a single program that we see here. In total, 3 cutters were used to produce this entire furniture leg. The flat surfacing cutter to turn it round, a 1/2 inch either end mill or ball cutter could be used to do the roughing, and then a long taper ball cutter to do the wrapped carving. Not only does the shape of this long taper ball cutter allow us to get into deep crevices for fine details, but is also very stable so that we can retain the high cutting speeds. All the cutters that we use during this cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. Throughout this entire cutting demonstration, the front dust manifold was open so that we can see all the cutting action. This rotary carving techniques unlocks a lot of capability of producing unique shapes that can fit within the turning center. As long as we can rotate it 360 degrees, we can create any component. Well, I hope you enjoyed that cutting demonstration. It's always fun to see a unique 3-dimensional component come to life on the CNC machine. If you'd like to see what else a Legacy CNC can do for you, visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. You can always call 801-491-0010 to talk to a CNC expert at any time. If you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations like this, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box so you can be notified when new videos like these come out. And if you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, you know what to do down below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.